Are you stressed over your ASUS ROG 3 gaming phone screen? Well, we believe there's absolutely nothing to bother with because the Sydney CBD Repair Centre is here to obtain the things provided for you. We are one of the leading stores that will do ASUS ROG 3 phone screen replacement. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is just one of the most genuine ASUS ROG phone repair centres that you would certainly discover. Allow us inform you why we consider ourselves as authentic repair centres. We, in most of the cases, do screen substitute or glass replacement in a brief period of time. If the parts exist with us, then we do it right in front of you. There are surprise charges or anything that would certainly result in issues later on. If you contrast us with other repair work centers, then you might understand that we are really budget friendly. We do ASUS ROG 3 gaming phone screen expense extremely competitively. Being very inexpensive along with offering authentic components is the uncommon combination that you would discover. Sometimes consumers concern us asking to repair their ASUS ROG 3 phone screen replacement since they have actually been facing a few of the other issues commonly. All of us know that it is one of the costly phones. We undoubtedly do not wish to let it go for any type of factor. Thus we supply a perfect service to repair your ASUS ROG 3 phone screen replacement to ensure that later on you don't come across any type of and you can enjoy all the features and operations of your phone to the fullest. It is not extremely simple to turn over your pricey ASUS ROG 3 phone for display replacement or glass repair service to anyone that is unidentified to you. Well, that's the factor we opt for replacement or repair then and there to ensure that it is possible for you to trust our services. Make your means to Sydney CBD Repair Centre for the most practical and satisfying experience for your ASUS ROG 3 phone screen replacement. Our group of specialists will not let you down and provide you with the most effective of their knowledge. Call 80114119 or visit Sydney CBD Repair now.